While you're watching this video, artificial intelligence has already taken someone's job. In 60 seconds, it'll master your profession. And in 5 years, perhaps it'll master you. Today in this video, we'll tell you the truth that many are afraid to admit. Artificial intelligence is already here, and it's not just changing the world, it's taking jobs. Right now, thousands of people are losing their jobs to smart machines. Are you ready for this? We'll show you which professions will disappear first, how to understand if your job is at risk, and what to do to avoid being left behind in a world ruled by algorithms. Over the past year, artificial intelligence has made an incredible leap. What once seemed like science fiction is now reality, changing the rules of the game for each of us. Modern neural networks write texts that are impossible to distinguish from human written ones. They create images and videos that look absolutely realistic. And do you know how long it takes them to learn a new language? Just a few minutes, something that would take humans years. What you're about to hear will make you seriously think. AI already diagnoses cancer more accurately than doctors with 30 years of experience. It predicts financial indicators better than the best analysts. And some companies already have departments where algorithms do all the work without any human intervention. Imagine, while you sleep, artificial intelligence processes millions of data points and makes decisions that affect your life. It manages transportation, controls energy systems, selects candidates for jobs, and every day it gets smarter. And it gets even more interesting. What's happening now is just the beginning of the revolution. The question is no longer whether AI will replace humans, but exactly when it'll happen. And what you'll learn next may completely change your perception of your own future. Imagine you go to work and in your place sits a robot. Unfortunately, not science fiction, but bare reality that's happening right now. Cashiers in stores are disappearing before our eyes. Enter any modern supermarket. How many self-checkout counters do you see? And remember how many there were a year ago? Taxi drivers, couriers, call center operators, all these professions could completely disappear in 3 to 5 years. Self-driving cars and chatbots are faster, don't get tired, and don't ask for vacation. And what's happening with office workers? What previously took 3 days of work for an entire accounting department, AI does in 15 minutes, and without a single mistake. Lawyers, analysts, marketers, AI already performs 60% of their tasks better than humans. You won't believe it, but even creative professions are at risk. Computers already write articles, paint pictures, and create music that's impossible to distinguish from human-made. Designers, copywriters, journalists, they all feel the ground slipping from under their feet. And now you'll learn something that'll make you shudder. According to recent research, 50% of all professions will disappear within the next 5 years. Is your job on this list? The answer to this question could change your entire life. Now for the most interesting part, professions that AI cannot take away. And some of them will definitely surprise you. First of all, everything related to human emotions. Psychologists, nurses, primary school teachers will remain safe. Why? Because no machine can feel a patient's pain or understand when a child needs support, not just knowledge. Plumbers, electricians, builders, these craftsmen are also safe. Try sending a robot to fix a unique problem in an old house. It'll simply freeze, while an experienced craftsman will figure it out in minutes. Know who else will be needed? People who work with people. Coaches, restaurateurs, stylists. And this makes sense. We want to see a real person across from us, not a screen with a program. And here's a surprise, artists, musicians, and writers who create something truly original. Yes, AI can imitate, but it's not capable of experiencing the real human experience that stands behind great art. The biggest secret that few understand: in the future, those who can do what didn't exist before will win. What if AI doesn't take your job, but makes it better? Today we see how work is transforming, not disappearing. Take medicine. Doctors use AI for faster analysis of examination results, allowing them to spend more time with patients and complex cases. In design and advertising, AI helps create basic layouts, while people improve them, adding creativity and deep understanding of clients. The creative process becomes faster, and the results? Better quality. Lawyers can now analyze thousands of documents in minutes, focusing on strategy and argumentation instead of routine tasks. Time that previously went to paperwork is now used to develop innovative solutions. And this opens doors to completely new professions: specialists in human AI interaction, developers of training data sets, curators of virtual environments, ethical consultants on technology use. The most interesting thing is that we're only at the beginning of this journey. Do you know what unites people who will never lose their jobs due to AI? They understood one simple truth, which you'll now hear too. The first step to safety: start using AI today. Try different services, learn how to write prompts, understand how it works. A person who knows how to work with AI will always be needed. Second step, develop skills that machines cannot copy: creative thinking, empathy, solving non-standard problems. These soft skills will become your superpower. Third step, find a niche at the intersection of your profession and new technologies. A lawyer specializing in robot rights, or a psychologist who helps people adapt to technological changes. Such specialists are worth their weight in gold. Fourth step, constantly learn. The world is changing at a rapid pace, and your knowledge becomes outdated faster than ever before. Fifth step, create your own brand. Become a person known not by position, but by unique approach and ideas. Just imagine, in 5 years, most people will still fear technology, and you'll be among the few who drive this revolution. Now you know the truth that most people haven't yet realized. The world is changing right now. Every day, AI becomes smarter, faster, and cheaper, and this process cannot be stopped. We've seen which professions will disappear first, and which will remain safe. We've understood that there are specific steps that'll help you not just survive, but thrive. Remember the main thing: AI itself won't take your job, but people who know how to use AI definitely will. They're already doing it right now. Everything you heard in this video is just the tip of the iceberg. Technologies are developing at such a speed that even the boldest predictions may prove to be underestimated. If you liked this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to not miss new episodes. Write in the comments if you feel the impact of AI on your work. Now think about this. What if this video from beginning to end was created by artificial intelligence? And if a machine is capable of this today, what will it be capable of tomorrow?